Oh, you made him talk. Mark, you can just plug that in and wherever in here. You got it. Make him talk. Oh, you did it. You did it. You made him talk. You made the Easter Bunny talk. You made the Easter Bunny talk.
To see Tyler.
I know.
Miss
Yeah.
Knox was trying to see Tyler.
Oh, did she?
No.
What are those legs doing? Talk to your ducky. Talk to your ducky. Is that a good duck? Oh, now you threw him too. You threw them all. You threw your duck and your bunny. They're gone.
Hello?
Look who's here. Emma, say hi.
What? Is it yours? Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
What's on your head? Or on your mouth now?
Emma, you were very good at church today.
Yes, you
Thank-
were.
It was long, wasn't it?
Oh, you took your ears off.
Food. Move. I want to see y'all's hotel before you check out.
You took them off.
All right.
Yeah, come on. Check it out.
I'm good about it.
Okay.
Is it still here?
Food.
Never I can get you.